Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Austell, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocation involves moving your belongings over a distance of over 50 miles. 3 Movers offers top-of-the-line long-distance moving services. We can transport your belongings over long distances with no hassle because we work closely with authorities in charge of interstate and interstate relocation. Our moving trucks can transport heavy belongings over a long distance and also protect them. Our movers are cautious when handling your belongings. Our drivers are also very conversant with all the routes within and outside Austell, Georgia. We also have insurance policies to cover any risks that may arise during transportation. A local move is less expensive and less complicated than long-distance moves. However, 3 Movers leaves no stone unturned when planning and executing your local activities. We do this to prevent any form of unpleasant surprises and errors during the move. Although local moves are less expensive, the rate we offer is the cheapest you can find anywhere. Our hourly rates range between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Austell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.